Hello people, I'm back again with another small video, a small DIY. Now during the autolog testings, rough roads and my autolog off-rail trails and all, the rear number plate had broken off and fallen off. So I had this number plate cover, as you must have seen previously in my other videos. I had this plate which broke off from this part. This part, if you see, it is quite brittle. It doesn't have much support, so it had broken off and the complete plate fell off. So I brought another plate, and this plate, so that it should not fall off again and break from here, from this part, I'm doing a small DIY. Very small one, very easy one, even anyone can do it. So I'll continue now, next with showing you how or what I'm doing to this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the original plate that comes from Bajaj, the thick plate. I'm going to keep that one as the base plate over here, and this plate, this cover that houses the embossed plate is going to come above here like this, and then the both the bolts would go in from here, and then this plate will come, and then the cover would follow. Now what happens is I've added, if you see, I've added a lot of sponge in between. It's nothing but small, the packing sponge that comes, Okay. So I've cut this sponge and used this pieces to avoid the vibrations that come due to the space between the plate and the holder. So I've stuck small pieces out here, okay, and I've also put them out here so that when this plastic cover goes in between the embossed plate and this one, it should not wobble, vibrate, etc. So the next part is just to put the screws back. Okay, you take the screws and just bolt them on here. One goes here and the second one would go out here. Okay, that's it, and you tighten these out. From both the sides. I added a washer that I found, additional support, so that the plastic doesn't become weak from this side too. I added some Fevibond to, not Fevibond but Fevicol All Fix to all the parts, all the joints out here, all the male female points, so that this fits in tightly on the number plate and doesn't fall off, since it doesn't have much support. So this is how the final fitting is. Okay. Top side little white is visible, but I don't mind because it is now much stronger. Okay. The plate doesn't wobble much as it was before without the packing. It just fits sturdily. All looks good. So if you guys have liked it, please do share it ahead. I'll leave links to where to purchase this cover from, on where did I get the number plate done. It's Amar Bearings in Nana Peth in Pune. So Pune guys can visit him and purchase things from him. So I'll leave a Google Map link to his shop in the description. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please do add that so that next time I can try those out for you guys. And if you're watching this for the first time, please do subscribe as usual and hit the bell icon for more updates from me. Thank you for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.